On today's video, we're going to be replacing this shower arm for our shower head. Here we're just going to remove our shower head. Now we're going to remove our old shower arm. Make sure that you properly thread both ends. Now we're going to install the new one. You don't have to be too abrasive. You can feel the threading catch. Now here what I do at the end is I just stick the channel locks inside the head, and I'll use that as leverage to tighten down the shower head. Again, don't over torque it. If you have to, you can go ahead and replace the little plate that goes around here. On this one, someone caulked it. That's why I didn't remove it. Once you're done, go ahead and reassemble your new shower head.